What people have to understand is inflammation. We have so much inflammation in our body. We have toxic food, we have toxic water, we have toxic air, we have radiation exposure, we have electromagnetic exposure. Our bodies are constantly being bombarded all day long. And as much as our immune system and our liver and our kidneys try to excrete and eliminate these toxins, we need to supplement.
Neuropathy is a very common problem as we get older, and prescription medications out there that can help with it.
If you have soil that's depleted of nutrients, plants don't get the proper nutrition. Plants become deficient of vitamins and minerals. And then we eat those supposedly nutritious foods, and then we're not getting adequate amounts of nutrition, vitamins and minerals. Fortunately, we have to supplement.
Nervewell is that it contains all of the natural ingredients. It's got prickly pear, marshmallow root, passion flower, and California poppy seed. A lot of research into each of these ingredients, and they have been very effective and safe to help with the nerve pain. And if you are compliant with medication, with a supplement for about 4 to 6 months, it's very helpful to eliminate the symptom of neuropathy in the long term.
Whether you're living with chronic pain from a central nervous system condition, stroke, spinal cord injury, or diabetes, if you have anxiety or you have depression, if you want a non-pharmaceutical approach, you can try Nervewell and get better. It's fair to say to people, try this for 3 to 6 weeks, then reevaluate. If it's working for you, great. If it's not, you can consider increasing the dose.
If you take this supplement for about a year and it's been helpful for you, and you can reassess your symptoms and see how you're feeling with the medication, with the supplement, you might be able to stop for a little bit, but honestly, because of all the natural ingredients, it's totally safe to continue to take it. And all of these ingredients are also good for your natural health because it's antioxidant, it got vitamin C. So, not only it helps with neuropathy, it's also help with other underlying conditions. I recommend this product for everybody who have nerve pain just because this product is effective, and but at the same time it does not having any significant drug interactions and side effects. If you are compliant with the medication for about 4 to 6 months, I strongly believe that it will help with your nerve pain in the long term.
Okay, my name is Bill from Pennsylvania. I've noticed that I've been getting more pain, especially my hands when I play golf over those years of football and baseball and just kind of beating myself up, having fun and playing sports. I was having trouble sleeping at night. Just got really frustrated to the point where I didn't want to do activities anymore. I had a friend from school and he recommended a product called Nervewell. So I tried this product over the last months. The nerve pain is going away. I've been back on the golf course. I'm feeling good. I highly recommend Nervewell to anyone who's dealing with some of those same pain that I am.
I was diagnosed with lung cancer. After I did have surgery, I had tingling in especially my right arm. So someone recommended Nervewell. And when I looked, I found out that it had a lot of natural ingredients. I tried it and it took a while. And the biggest thing I noticed is that the numbness and the tingling is slowly subsiding. Nervewell really gives me a lot of energy, and that's perfect. I'm still taking it. I'm noticing that slowly everything is just getting better. It's feeling better, and my mood feels a lot better.
I've been a nurse for over 20 years, and I'm an avid runner. I'm on my feet all the time. I have a lot of sciatic pain, and then I also have restless legs from the running. I've tried a lot of different products over the years to try to help myself, but I found Nervewell, and I've taken it for 2 months, and it's made a huge difference. I highly recommend this product to you if you're looking for a natural solution to nerve pain.
I originally got the nerve control supplement for my parents. However, I decided I wanted to try it for myself as well and see if I could also get the same benefits that they were getting. Basically, it's really good for your overall nerve health. It has anti-anxiety, anti-depression, and it helps give you a peace of mind. These things are a game changer.
I've been getting shooting pains in my lower legs and my feet after 2 hours of tennis. Somebody mentioned Nervewell as a possible solution to this problem. I purchased it, started taking it a month ago. The pains have miraculously eased up and have slowly dissipated. It looks like this is going to be an ongoing solution to my long-term problem. Hopefully this will help convince some other people to give it a shot.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mindy Armera, a double board certified physician that focuses on neurology and pain management. I know that if you're watching this video, then you or somebody you love is looking for a solution to their neuropathy. whether that's fatigue, difficulty moving the body, pain, anything that can really affect your daily living. I love treating neuropathic diseases. I have worked with neurologic diseases for over 10 years, and I've discovered that there are really two ways to treating these problems. Number one, you can take prescription medications like anticonvulsants, pain medications, even anti-inflammatory medications. And while some of these medications may provide relief, they could come with major side effects that then cause other problems down the road. The other method involves the use of a more holistic approach with natural herbs that have been around for centuries, and then using this in combination with a multimodality, multifactorial approach and involve things like physical therapy. Now, while taking supplements like Nervewell, the nice thing is these are natural supplements. These products may be a great place to start because 80% of the time research shows people are able to get some symptom relief from taking research-based natural products. Now, I love Nervewell because it's research-based and the components do what they say they're going to do. This company really did their research and provided an amazing product that I can stand behind. My suggestion is to speak with your physician, make it a team approach, and see if a holistic approach is really a good option for you. Now remember, it may take time, 4 to 6 months, to really start making those nerves healthier. But if you work together with your doctor, you may have the option of staying away from some of the heavy stuff. It's time to go enjoy your life, and you can do that with Nervewell.